an end. This is how my life will come to an end. At a very young age, I was told that I had cancer. Cancer. Why? Why does it have to be me? It wasn't as if my mother didn't have other children, but I was the only one. I was the only one who got the disease. I was the only one who inherited the disease. Now I just have 2 days. 2 days. Just 2 days to live. Just 2 days. 2 days. Just 2 days to live. God's plan is the best. So this is the best plan God has for me. This is the best plan. I've not been able to live just like my pets. I'm not able to do things they do. I don't go out. All my money I've spent on drugs. There was no positive results. I just have 2 days. 2 days left to live. God, why me? I don't have to make me so miserable.